Welcome to Lesson 4 of the ScanRover Academy. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use the Analysis panel to quickly research a stock without leaving the scanner. To open the Analysis panel, simply click on any stock in the scanner. The Analysis panel brings together company information, market news, momentum statistics, and technical data into one place, making it easier to research a stock before making any trading decisions. At the top of the Analysis panel, you'll find the company name, ticker symbol, exchange, and industry. This provides quick context about the business before you begin reviewing the stock's momentum and recent market activity. The Market News section displays the latest headlines and company announcements related to the selected stock. Reading recent news alongside the scanner data can help explain why a stock is attracting attention and provide valuable context before continuing your research. The Momentum section highlights key trading statistics, including metrics such as relative volume, gap percentage, float rotation, and other important market data. Together, these values provide a quick snapshot of how the stock is performing during the current session. The Key Levels section displays important price levels that traders commonly monitor throughout the trading day. These levels can help identify areas where price may find support or resistance. The Market Structure section provides additional information about how the stock has behaved throughout the current trading session. Reviewing this information alongside the news and momentum statistics helps build a more complete picture of the opportunity. The interactive chart allows you to quickly review recent price action without leaving ScanRover. This makes it easy to combine technical analysis with company news and momentum data, all within the same workspace. Rather than relying on a single statistic or headline, review the company information, market news, momentum statistics, and chart together. Looking at multiple pieces of information provides a more complete understanding of each opportunity. A common mistake is focusing on just one metric or the latest news headline. The Analysis panel is designed to bring everything together so you can make more informed decisions through research rather than relying on a single indicator.